At this point in the URB-E Sport project, Sasi has conducted field testing around the stability of the original three-wheel concept, and he used motion simulation to quantify this disconcerting tipping behavior that we were seeing in the field. Unfortunately, it's happening at speeds way less than we originally thought. Basically, the three-wheel sport variation we've been developing is not going to be viable, and we need to instead focus on a two-wheel only product. Overall, narrowing our product to just a two-wheel design has more alignment with the goals of the sport. In its folded position, the two-wheel is extremely slim, and the high-speed performance and rideability, that's key to our target segment and our brand. So I need to update the project schedule to reflect the pivot in scope, review the impact to our milestones, and then update all stakeholders on this status. In Solidworks Manage, I've been watching Sasi document the reports from our riders in the field. One rider reports that he tipped over and injured himself. Well, that's not good. Another rider commented on the aesthetics, specifically, "It's too tricycle-y, man." In Manage, the rider reports here are just one example of custom-defined records, containers of whatever information I want to capture, track, and associate to my data, my project, or my tasks. In fact, let's take all these records and add them as attachments to a new task, which captures the need to act on these reports, along with all the voice of customer information needed to inspire the designer. Before I give Todd the exciting news, I need to adjust my project schedule and consider the impact of adding another 40 hours of design work to support the product change. I can see how this impacts my original schedule as I push out the mechanical stage, which is still on the critical path. Unfortunately, this also pushes out my milestone of CES, and something tells me that's not very flexible. I do have slack with the electrical and validation stages, so I will delay starting those and have Sasi work with Todd on the design validation. I think I can create some slack in the vendors phase if we can get faster turnaround and select new CNC partners. We'll see if Todd can help us here as well. I need to update all the project stakeholders on these changes, and for that, I use the report tools to configure and generate a project update document. In this case, a PDF file, which captures a snapshot of my project schedule, the assigned resources, the progress of each stage, and a complete task list with all the details. And of course, any project issues or risks that I'm tracking. Solidworks Manage allows you to store and track any record that you need for your projects. Records become part of your reporting automatically. This greatly enhances the consistency in communication and the traceability over time and across projects. Keep watching this series to see how URB-E moved from concept to consumer, leveraging the entire Solidworks solution.